welcome back. Alright, guys. I'm gonna post this short one, me doing this half can of kayak. Well, a little less than half a can, because when I do this half a can and talk for a little bit, I'm going to end this video, and then I'm gonna use the rest of what's in this can of kayak. I'm gonna show y'all the amount, and I'm gonna put some Monster in it. Let that soak up real good, and then I'm gonna make a video on that. I'll show everything. Here we go. There's some. Alright. That's what I have left. Oh my god, y'all. Look at that. That is nasty. Oh. It's kind of burning. Kind of burning. Got that sweet tea. I need to move stuff from this side to this side. Give me one sec. Don't want to see this. Anyway. That. Oh. Just fair warning. Later, when I mix that Monster with this kayak, I'm probably gonna puke. Just fair one there. God, this is a lot of nicotine. Wow. Can you tell? Feels like I got a dick in my mouth. Bars. Woo! Man. It's so juicy though. Right, I won't. My mouth is so wet, right? Juicy right now. Got that sweet ass tea. You know what? Just for give me some kind of satisfaction later. Just drink a little bit of Monster. I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit in there. Let it soak for a little while. I'll pour some more in there right before I do it, so y'all can see. Pour a little bit more though. Yeah, we're gonna let that soak for a little while in there. So that should be good and ready for next video. Like I said, I'm gonna pour some more in there when I'm recording. Till then. Oh man. I might be loopy as fuck when I'm making that video, cause this shit is just, it's a lot of nicotine. Boy. Gotta keep it real out there. Peace out. Baby, I love you.